The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Barry, Jacques, Ed, thank you. Dennis, thank you. Guys, good morning. For a change of pace, markets are green and we have a positive delta along with low volume. Man, I think we're going to probably keep this going until good morning, Michael, FOMC earnings. I have no idea. But once again, we find ourselves with low volume, about 17,000 contracts on the light side. And of course, we have a positive delta. Gold breached 4,000 in the overnight session, for those of you keeping track at home. And I am back at my normal desk. In any event, guys, good morning. Happy Tuesday. If you fellas are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Yesterday was a decent trade for the first 35 minutes. Then it got a little choppy. Then we caught a few trades. I suspect or expect that today will be a similar look with low volume. I guess we'll see, but low volume overnight will probably translate to low volume in the cash session as well. Unless there's a holiday in Europe I'm unaware of. Be that as it may, good morning. We trade the market we have, not the one we want. So trade accordingly. All right. We do not have any news today, but we do have a bunch of Fed speakers. Bostic at 10, Bowman at 10:05, Mirren at 10:30, and Kashkari at 11:30. That's and then 4 o'clock again. But pretty much starting at 10 o'clock until we leave, we have Fed speakers. No holiday in Europe until Christmas. Okay, well.
So good morning, everyone, and let's go through the morning news for the US session.
It may, Mark. I hope so.
Continuing sell-off in the yen on increasing speculation, BOJ interest rate hikes.
All right, guys.
The yen declined for a fourth day.
Read the disclaimer.
Likely to raise rates under a government potentially led by pro-stimulus lawmakers.
U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Session. Crude was up $300. NASDAQ Renko up $400. Does anybody have anything different than $300 or $400? Well, $450 if you got full target. Anybody have anything different on crude or NASDAQ or gold? You were down. On both? NQ? NQ? Yeah. So let me ask you guys a question. Because I was down early, right? We trade gold from 1 to 6. What's the caveat? What's the caveat? Those of you guys that are down, what's the caveat? Nothing to do with direction. What's the caveat? I covered this in education. The caveat is if gold is down in the 1 a.m. to 6 a.m. time frame, I continue to run it. Thank you, Pam. She's the only one that got it right. I continue to run it. Good morning, Hubba Hubba. I said it in education. I've said it in the room 8 million times. Literally, 8 million. I've counted them. Right, 6:01 a.m. I continue to run it. So when I got up at 4:30, my gold was down 1,800. It's now up 400. I shut it off for 50 bucks. I'm not going to let it take another trade, but it would have had a winner. So those of you guys that are down, you're not paying attention to the caveat. It doesn't happen often where it's down, but continue to run it. There was a day a couple weeks ago where my gold was down like 3,100 bucks in the overnight, and I ran it and it finished green. It will eventually trade itself out of that hole. Well, you should still be running it, Ron. You guys should go into the settings and just change the time and let it continue to run. I mean, I think we're going to be longs and you may have a hard time finding a short. But for now, in my humble opinion, you're probably best off running gold longs only. I mean, gold and silver are just on a tear. In any event,
Yeah, posted out the Canadian Trade Balance Report, August 2025 on feed 333.
doing nothing. Oof, come on, dog. One tick.
Order filled.
All right. Target one for me is hit and filled, 93.3. All right. Now I'm trying to hold this sucker. Listen. Here's how I'm trading this.
Order submitted.
I'm at break even. If it pops here, it's got to get above 95, 95.1. We're going to 97.4. Those order blocks are going to slow it down. Once through those order blocks, I think we can get to 4,000.
Order submitted.
So I'm basically all or none on this remaining contract. Here comes crude. Yeah, 97.9 is going to have to go. That's resistance, but it's the break we've already been through. And crude is almost to my first target. So trade as you guys see fit.
US gold futures hit $4,000 an ounce for the first time.
Yeah, 3 ticks to first target. We should get that. But if you're in crude, trade it as you see fit. Now they upgrade AMD. That's because all the firms need to get out. So now they need retail traders to come in and put it in their portfolios. 100 shares at a crack, and they'll just liquidate. When they say sell, you buy. When they say buy, you got to get out. NASDAQ still going, fellas. $27 is, I'll take 27. If that breaks,
Order submitted.
it's coming down to 05. Yeah, I'm going to take that shot.
Order
All
filled.
right, there's target one, guys, on crude. So now
Order submitted.
I'm break even on crude. I'm break even on crude. If this takes out this low here, this swing low on the 15-minute, it's coming down to 05, 06. That'll be my final. So for me, again, it's an all or none, similar to gold. I'm all or none on gold, all or none on crude. The gold has to pop here. 95. It's 10 ticks away, I think, from breaking out. And I do think we're going to see 4,000. But again, trade them for your accounts. There we go. Come on, dog. A little more push. There it is. Come on. Welcome, Frank. NASDAQ Delta up to almost 1,400. It's going to be a little sticky right here, 97.5. All right. Order blocks are gone. NASDAQ is a really interesting short on a break below 95. Now that's 30 handles away, but below 95, it's a really interesting trade. That could come a long ways, like 60 handles. Crude's not doing anything. If you want a real stop on crude, I'd use 64. Yeah, I'd use 64. Here's a 100 contract buy. Block trade 100 and a 50. I think we're definitely looking for pullbacks today. Jeez, what a shocker. If you guys want your risk off on gold, take it. Could pull back to 92. We double tapped or slightly lower high here on the 15-minute. You really got to get 97 to keep this going. Guys, can I get a sound check? Sound check, please. Thank you. Thank you, fellas. Come on, keep pushing. $97.9 is going to slow it down. 98. If we get through that 98, we're going to get fourth. We're going to get the high of the day. Now I'm $1 above high of the day. I'm $1 above that high of the day, but this can break out to 06 if you guys want to get crazy. Can always hit close or move your stop. We're struggling at that 98 level. Need some more buying. Crude's got small sellers. Come on, crude. Gold, let's go. Crude, let's go. All right, we're through. We should go. 4,000, baby. 4,000. There we go. Who's still holding gold? 02, next target. Who's holding gold? All right. $1,000 runner, 10 bucks. Nice job, fellas. Come on, break out. Let's go. Keep going. We hit 01 and change. All right. I'm going to move stop up to 94. Got to get through. Got to hold above 4,000 in one tick. Got to hold above that 4,000.1. Delta, they're still buying. They're still buying gold. Come on, give us a quick burst. One of those whack. Yeah, 253 is Pam's levels. All right, guys. I'm close to taking this off. We're struggling here. Let me just take a look. I mean, we should be good. I don't really care about crude. It's not doing anything. Oh, there we go. Come on, big guy. Oh, we hit 04. Pretty close to it. 033. Come on, I want that 06. I move stop to 96.1. I'll hit close 96.8. I'll hit close quickly if it starts to pull back. There are no sellers yet. 27.48. Some small sellers in here. 27.12, 9, 22, 48 was the highest. Federal government shut down, Kerry. There's no, there will be no government news of any kind until the government reopens. I don't know that that will affect FOMC, but anything else? Jobless claims, I assume we're not getting on Thursday. Come on, one more burst, baby. Let's go get 06. Anybody still holding to 06? Or trying to get to 06? Anyone still holding gold? Okay. All right, we're struggling up here. Watch that delta. I went to 98.4 on the stop. I'm not letting it come back below 4,000. I am on the close. Small sellers. There's nothing in the way of selling. All right, guys, I'm going to take it off here, I think, and keep, yeah. All right, I'm flat. The only thing I'm holding is crude. I do believe you'll get that 06. Let me take a look at crude. But it's a little extended. Yeah, crude should come. Crude's at the breakdown. 13 would be next, so I'm a little aggressive there. Let's go 16. Delta's only 200 on the negative side. If NASDAQ's going to break down, this is where it should come. I'm not even going to watch crude because I really don't care. We're going to get a new bar here in 47 seconds. I'm going to drop my stop down to 46. I'm going to go to 43. It's a really aggressive stop. I locked in $100. Yeah, well, they may not have fresh data, but I think they're inclined to cut anyways. I think the question is, are they going to cut a quarter or a half? I think the way the market's trading, to me, it appears they're factoring in a half. Does it not, Barry? There we go.
WTO says goods trade growth seen at 2.4% this year, 0.5% in 2026.
All right, guys. I'm gone down to 36. Man, I'll tell you, if they go a quarter, I think there's a lot of people that are going to be shocked. I went down to 32. I'm down to 27 on the stop, guys. I'm just pinching it toward that target. Target hit. Target hit. 2 trades, each 2 contract trades, 1650. There's target. Next target down, if you're still holding, is 95. More to trade than the NASDAQ, fellas. And with that, I'm going to a breakfast. NASDAQ has broken out. And we're off.
Market on open imbalance. S&P 500 buy side 116 million, Nasdaq 100 sell side 3.4 million, Dow 30 buy side 28 million, Mag 7 sell side 9.3 million. Tesla shares slipped 2% ahead of Tuesday's event. There's no specific timing we can find for the event. When we do, of course, we'll update the calendar and put out the video.
Buying 250-ish for a bounce. Oh, 205. I'm
So
sorry.
just
Now I'm
just
dyslexic.
seeing here, AMD shares rising 7.3%.
I like this 25.
Today. In regards to what Tesla could be expected to unveil today, it could be expected to unveil a lower cost Model 1.
We could get a complete breakdown here.
Sales. So
I mean, we hovered most of the evening around break even.
After Jefferies upgrades to buy, several brokerages raise target price of stock as well.
Kind of a nothing burger right now.
IBM shares up 2.3% after the company announces strategic partnership with Anthropic to accelerate development of enterprise-ready AI. PayPal shares up 3.5% after.
All right, we're going up.
New ads manager.
We're going up. I'm looking for a pullback now from this break of structure. I will try the long at 30 quarter.
US listed shares of
Order submitted.
US listed shares of Trilogy Metals more than
Order
tripled.
filled.
All right, I'm long.
Administration takes stake in company. Last about
Seriously, you're not going to bounce here? I'm on the close.
Again,
Let's bounce. Let's go.
40 cents.
I'm on the close, fellas. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out. Yeah, there's the bounce.
Miner for Trilogy Metals ticker is
Too slow a bounce for me, because if this breaks down, we're coming to 05. This is coming to 05 below that 17, and I'll short it.
Trilogy Metals up.
We're holding this low volume zone, which is why I like the long. But they're starting to sell them, but not aggressively. There's no aggressive selling here. It's passive selling.
S&P 500 hits intraday record high, last up 0.2%.
Complete bullshit. I'd be in the money. I should have held that trade. I have it long. God dang. Another slow freaking day. Let me look at other stuff. I'm not going to get chopped up in this NASDAQ. We're just wedged. YM, longs. Russell, I have nothing. CL is long. CL is long to 72, target 1, maybe 70, 71. Gold is actually pulling back. It's sitting on the breakout level. I would short gold below 95, down to 90. Should have held that NASDAQ. Greg, where the holy hell have you been, man? Hang on, buddy. Didn't see you all last month, man. Gotcha, man.
Well, good morning.
Good morning. Where were you? Where you been?
Well, last
Pending along here. You long yet, Greg?
no. I was looking at this 16.5 area for the short, but no,
Okay.
I am not in this long.
Guess I should have held that 30 quarter, huh?
Yeah.
I cowered it out like a champ.
They are not too concerned about what's happening in the government.
No, they are not. They don't care. They better get a half a bip cut next FOMC, or they're going to, my opinion is this is coming down just as fast.
Yeah, there'll be a lynching on the board.
You're looking at 16 short.
Yeah.
First target 05.
Yes, and if you do that, I would not want it above 30. So 34 quarter would be, or is going to be my stop, because they keep buying that 34 or your 30 area. Oh, you're in the ES? Oh.
No, that's the bot. Yesterday's high. We're really struggling at yesterday's high for the moment. We have 1,800 net buyers. I mean, this is a tough short. Tough short. Caught a huge gold trade this morning and a nice crude trade.
Did you get in on that 80? Did you go in at 80 on gold?
I forgot. Maybe we got in at 90 in the room. First target was 95, and then second target was 4,006.
Order submitted.
All right, guys, we're short on the original bot, and I have taken the ATR off, so it's set for ticks as target. Oh, we're short on the Ninja Ranko. Didn't even hear that. There's a ton of buyers here, guys. 1,800 buyers. It's just not going anywhere. We have Fed speakers starting, I believe, at 10. 10 o'clock. What do you mean I have wrong account on that? What does that mean? How can I be short? I have the wrong account? What are you talking about, Mark? Mark, can you explain to me what you're saying? Oh, shit. Hang on, I see what you're saying. How the fudge did that? All right, it's not, the original bot is not short, guys. The original bot is not short. I have the same account. I have the same account on the Ninja Ranko and the original bot.
So reminder.
Thanks, Mark.
10 a.m.
So the short is on the original, on the Ninja Ranko. This isn't coming down anytime soon.
10 p.m. East time. A lot of Fed speak. And of course, Trump and Candace Kim Carney meet each other and have their bilateral meeting at the White House.
We're going up. That's my opinion. But I don't have a trade. We're at 2,000 net buyers. Gold is coming down. Gold is close to a short for me.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, 1 minute is long.
92.5, maybe down to 90.1.
Yeah.
Stop. stop. You certainly don't want a big stop on this.
All right, here we go. This is my area for a this is my area for a short on gold. I'm going to sell 2 on gold at the close of this candle, the 3-minute bar. I need this bar to close. What time is it? 30, 33, 36, 39, 42. At the close of this bar, I'm going to take a short, guys. NASDAQ's not tradable for me. There's nothing going on here. All right, there it is. Gold is bouncing. I'm watching gold. I have no interest in the NASDAQ. NASDAQ came back to entry on the Ninja Ranko. And nothing. Bupkis. Or as Sandy used to say, buttkiss. Come on, NASDAQ. 5 measly points. Gold bounced. No trade. This 97.9 on the move up might be an interesting gold short.
Order submitted.
Come on, NASDAQ, 5 handles. Can't get a 5-handle move? Good Lord. God almighty. Cannot get a 5-handle move, guys.
Something wrong with your chart?
With my chart?
Well, it looks like it's missing candles, or is that
Oh,
something?
no. That just, they're just
Got it.
painted
Yeah.
blue. You just don't see them.
Okay.
It's a possible reversal is what it is. We're just stuck here, fellas. I have no trades. The only thing I may do is try to get a gold short in on the up move, which is not going to happen.
Order canceled.
We're sitting right on volume point of control. Come on, 5 handles, just 5. I'm shutting this off if it gets target. It's on an evaluation. It's too damn slow. Guess we're going to wait for a Fed speaker at 10 o'clock. What about crude, Greg?
Yeah, no, crude was along for me at 55, 61.55.
Okay. Guys, it's similar price action to yesterday on the NASDAQ. They sell 200 or 300. They buy them right back up. There's no way I can trade personally. I can't trade the NASDAQ. I would buy 200 area if NASDAQ came down there.
Here comes your ES. You're still short the ES.
Order filled.
All right, did this again. God damn it.
Order filled.
Man, gold's not going to give me squat.
So a reminder, at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Fed's Bostic is due to speak.
Target hit on the 1 minute. It's off. I'm done. I'm not trading this unless volatility picks up. The only thing still in a trade, Yeah, the NHL season starts tonight. Just give it to Florida and call it a day.
Speaking of that,
How about them Colts?
how about them Colts?
How about them Colts? Who saw that coming?
Oh, I'm telling you what, this kid looks amazing.
I mean,
Keep it
listen,
going.
I'm ecstatic.
Their kicker, though, is breaking my heart. He's done.
Yeah, he's done. Eight o'clock, ESPN. Penguins, Rangers. Be there. 5 o'clock. They got a 5 o'clock game. Blackhawks, Panthers. Just give it to the Panthers. Wrap it up. Don't even play the season. Ten seconds here, guys.
Target filled.
Target one filled.
Fed's Bowman does not comment on monetary policy or economic outlook in introductory remarks to committee back.
Stop filled.
Get
Out.
out the speech from her on the feed as well. For any of those who are interested.
We're below 1,000 on the Delta on NASDAQ. Guys, this is on the cusp of breaking down on the 15-minute. We can get a candle close below that trend line. I think she gets killed. She comes back down to yesterday's close.
Order submitted.
Come on, there we go, YM. Come on, couple more ticks. Give me the dough. Give me the dough.
I'm still in.
Yeah, me too. I just took one target to get loosened on the contract size.
I'm out. NQ.
Damn it, hit my target, no fill.
We have
Order
posted out
filled.
the report, the speech of Fed's Bowman
Order
on the
submitted.
feed for you to read through. That also includes the video as well.
All right, guys, now I can get back to our regularly scheduled NASDAQ program. We're building a bull flag, though, it looks like, on this 15-minute. Remember, we had big block buys in pre-market. Now, again, it's only a bull flag if it plays out.
Order filled.
All right, I'm flat on the YM.
Order canceled.
This is a really, really sucky trade, fellas. One off at 7.5. It's got to, this high volume node with this low volume is killing me. Come on, chump. Let's go. A little more selling, a lot less chatting. Come on. I'm going to move this, guys, to 8.25. Had $400 in it. It's holding this high volume node. Come on, sell them right here. Let's go see value area low. Get below 98 and we can break down like champ. Come on.
Stop filled.
That's out on the original bot. Held that high volume node, guys. Held that high volume node. I'm still holding. We got down to about 500. They came in about 100 contracts. If this thing breaks below 94, 95, it's going to get just annihilated. It traded right back up into resistance here. Just too damn slow. Here's your volume. Some buyers. There's a buy, 50, 22. Big seller on the bottom. Somebody sold 93 contracts here at 08. There's a seller here at VWAP 33, but that's a pretty good trade, 93 contracts. I doubt for the life of me. That's an initiative short would be my bet, just below VWAP. YM is doing
Order submitted.
on what? Oh, yes.
Order canceled.
Canceled. Back testing the breakdown. Bull flag is still intact. There's buyers in here. I'll take one off here at 12 quarter.
Order submitted.
And one at 8 quarter and try to hold 2 for a potential move lower. There's sellers coming in again.
We can stop at 37. Good spot.
Okay. 37 it'd be.
Order submitted.
Here we go. No. Sellers are pressing them right here. Golly, you got to be kidding me with these anemic, half-baked moves. Come on, seriously?
Order filled.
All right, target 1 is off.
Order canceled.
Target 1 is off. Come on, dog.
Order filled.
Target 2 is, there we go. Target 2 is off. Now we're flat out busting it, guys. My next target, fellas, is going to be, listen, if that 195 goes, I'm holding 2 for a breakdown.
I've got an 84 down here.
Say again?
I've got a target here of 84.
All right.
Order submitted.
84.
Yeah.
That's where I'm at. And then a freebie to go. Anybody short? Anybody short? Is anybody untall? That was my best shot, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have an 84 as well, Greg. Nice job, Anthony. Here we go. $1,000 trade. Come on. $1,000 runner. Let's go. 1,100. Let's go. Come on. Don't bounce. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. We just got gap fill or pretty damn close to it on the Qs. But we broke that support. We could come all the way down to 138. Trying to get 84. And then at support, if that blows out, got a 180, a 160, and all the way down to 118. That's the breakdown. It's got to, I don't think it comes down there. But we are negative delta now, guys. We're at 1,150 on the negative delta. I'm going to move my stop to 10.
Order submitted.
11.75 is my stop. Small buyers. 8.75 is stop for me. Don't you pop here. If it pops here, I'm going to get taken out. This can go back to 21.
Order filled.
All right, I'm flat. This can go back up to 21 from here, 22. Right back up into this area. I would short that just for a scalp. We did in the cash session one trade here on 1 minute up $300. The Ninzarenko on an evaluation up 440. The ES was down in the cash session. It only took one trade, down 1,600. I shut it off in this chop. Gold was up 400 and crude was up 300. From an discretionary trades, up 2,075 on a Buell Knox evaluation. I traded no PA accounts today. And then on my take profit, I am up 1,200 for the day, which put me over and should be a pass or a clear on my evaluation. I won't know until I see the numbers tomorrow morning. They don't update till midnight or something. So until I see that, it's my first evaluation. I'm cleared. I don't know that I'm under the 50%. I'll let you know tomorrow. If anybody